There are many life events that you want to share with friends and family. Weddings, birthdays, graduations, even the adoption of a new puppy. Sure, you could go to the drugstore and pick up a generic card to announce it, or maybe even post a few pictures online. But if you really want to do something special for your loved ones, why not send them a gorgeous photo collage card you made yourself? It's easy with Foglio cards. The Foglio Cards app has 20 stunning artistic templates ready to use. Simply pop in your best photos and, with the panning, zoom, and editing filters, you'll have a beautiful, custom-designed collage photo card ready in mere minutes. You can then send them as real postcards to all your friends and family, or post them to Facebook for everyone to see. It's easy, it's fun, and the results are truly stunning. And you can do it all with Foglio Cards. Foglio Cards. Design, deliver, delight.